Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Amrit. In this tutorial you learn how you can wrap text around your image. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial you can download these images, link in the description. In first step, just go to side panel and select here this quick selection tool. After selecting a quick selection tool, just click on this select subject. With this select subject, our selection is automatically created. You can see here. After this, just go to top panel and click on this select, and in this you can choose here a modify and click on this expand. With this we are expanding our this selection. You can type here any value you want, but I am just typing here 100 pixels. After this I will click on this OK button. Now you can see here our this selection is expanding. After this just press Ctrl Shift plus I. With this our this selection is inverted. After this just go to side panel and select here this rectangle marquee tool. Make sure you can select here this intersect on this top panel. After this just make here a selection on your image any part which you want to wrap a text. I am just selecting here this part. Now we can wrap a text in this selection. To do that, just go to right panel and click on this path, and in this path just go to bottom and select here this selection to a path. I am just click on this. Now this path is created. After making a path, just go to side panel and select here this text tool, and in this text tool you can type here anything. You can just increase here size of the text. I am just increasing here its size. I am just typing here wrap text around your image, anything you want. Now I am just press Ctrl A to select all, and press Ctrl C to copy this, and press Ctrl plus V to paste this. You can see here with this simple step you can wrap a text around your image. That's it. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.